Oh, God. You scared me.
You know, Ellen, people don't even know how old sharks are. I mean, if they live 2,000 to 3,000 years,
Martin.
They don't know.
Enough. You're not going to even be able to go to sleep tonight. Here. Come on.
Thanks.
Oh. Want to get drunk and fool around?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Mikey really loves his present.
Where is it?
Sitting in it.
Good. All right, Michael, out of the boat! Get out of that boat!
Dad, just a little longer, please.
Martin, it's his birthday tomorrow.
I don't want him on the ocean.
He's not on the ocean. He is in a boat. He's not going to go in the water. I don't think he'll ever go in the water again after what happened yesterday.
Now, don't say that. I don't want that to happen. You know that. But I want him to read the boating regulations, the rules, you know, before he goes out on his own.
Michael! Did you hear your father? Out of the water now! Now!
I'm tired. Let's stop before someone reports us.
Don't worry. The chief lives on the other side of the island.
Am I coming in straight?
Don't worry. Just keep rolling.
We better catch something. This is my wife's holiday roast.
Don't worry about it. $3,000 buys an awful lot of roast.
Come and get it.
It's taking it right out.
Can't we go home? He's taking it. Hey, hey, go! We go home now.